Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KVPY 2020, Class 11, that is Essay Stream. In this video, a question from Part 1 is taken. Let's have a look. Question number 9 from the paper. It says, in a triangle ABC, the question is geometry based problem. Our point D is chosen on side BC opposite to the vertex A, such that BD is to DC is given 2 is to 5. Let capital P be a point on circumcircle of triangle ABC such that angle PDB, okay, PDB is equal to angle BAC. Then what is the ratio PD is to PC? Let's see how can we solve this question in easy manner. I have drawn a figure corresponding to the question information given. Let's have a look. Okay, I first draw the triangle ABC. As you can see, triangle ABC. Then point D is taken on BC, so that BD is to DC is 2 is to 5, 2, 5, 2K, 5K you can take. Then P is taken on the point on the circumcircle of triangle. P is can be taken anywhere. However, we have to take care that P must be such that angle PDB is equal to angle BAC. So if we take the angle BAC as theta, then the angle PDB is also theta. Angle PDB is equal to angle BAC, right? So what is the ratio PD is to PC? So I join P with C, then I join P with B also. However, in this question it must be mentioned that P should lie in the same side of BC in which the vertex, the point A is lying, right? Otherwise PD is to PB can be found if P is on the other side of opposite side of the side BC in which A is lying. Okay, so if we take P on the same side, then we can find PD is to DC. How can we find PD is to PC? Let's see. Means it is missing in the problem, right? So I'm not going to discuss that case here. I'm just taking P on the same side. So in that manner, how can we find this ratio very easily? In this type of problem in which the ratio of sides is required, generally the idea of similar triangles work. So we'll have to search for two similar triangles. Also the angle theta here you can see are equal, and from the property of circle, basic geometry, angle BPC will also be theta. What do you say? Angle BPC will also be theta. So if you consider two triangles in which like the triangle PBC, the bigger triangle PBC, you can easily see this, an angle DBP, triangle DBP, they are similar. Why? Because the angle B is common to both. See, angle PBC or angle DBP, both are same. What do you say? What do you say? So these two triangles are same because two angles are same, theta, and you can take this angle B as alpha. The third angle will also be same. So from here we can write the ratio of sides as, we'll equate ratio of sides as PB upon DB. So I have written these vertices in order, in fact, angle P, angle D, angle B, angle C, angle P, right? So I can write PB corresponding DB here, PB, DB, right? Then I'll take BC, here BP, I'll take PC, here DP, isn't it? So we have to find PD is to PC. PD is to PC, that is this part, right? So I can write PD upon PC as PB upon um, I mean BC, right? And again, if I write the same thing, because here the unknown is, you can say BP is here also, BP is here also, right? BP. So in order to cancel, BP is not known to us, right? So in order to cancel BP, so I'll take PD upon PC whole square. One time I will write PD upon PC as BP upon BC. Another time I will write PD upon PC as BD upon PB. BD upon PB. So in that way I get this ratio as BD upon BC. Now BD upon BC can easily be seen as 2 upon, that is 2k upon, right, 2k upon 2k plus 5k. So you can say this is 2 upon 7. So from here we could find PD upon PC easily as root 2 upon root 7. So answer to this question must be root 2 upon root 7. Let's see what were the options. So option number D is correct. Okay, option number D is correct. I hope you understood this solution easily. Stay tuned for the next question. Thank you.